This is where we left off. The goal was to get the horizontal arm shaft, which goes from here, to rotate freely. It doesn't rotate freely. Knowing this is good enough for now. If the rotation was repairable, it should work by now. So this video is going to be about oiling the 319K. We're going to pivot away from this machine and its parts, and when we're done oiling the 319K, we will also oil the 319W. The 319K is the mint green machine that I call Mint Magic. 319W, the American machine, is all black. Here is the other end of the aforementioned horizontal arm shaft. Here are some of the parts. We're going to put them away, set them aside, set this machine aside, this train wreck 1591, and we'll get Mint Magic up here and get to work oiling that first off. We'll make sure we don't lose any parts because there's a lot of small ones. Especially all these screws and the jib and all that for the needle bar. And there's that washer. There's another washer. There, so that's a 1591 out of our way for now. I'm going to start oiling the top of the machine and the front of the machine. And if you look at the screen right now, you can see from page 48 of the Singer 319 manual that it has all the points on the front and the top that we're going to deal with. First, I'm going to start by oiling at this end, and I'll do that one, these two, that one, these two, and then that one. And then we'll go down here and do the front. So we'll kind of move in a little bit of a U shape or a circular shape. The oil I'm using is Tri-Flow Superior Lubricant oil, and we have to shake the container before we use it. And first I'll be applying some oil right down here on the bobbin winder appliance. Just going to try and give it one drop of oil like that, and then I'm going to go up to here. I'm going to do that one. I'm going to do this one right here, right behind the disc. And then I'm going to do another one right there. And then there is this one here. And then moving along, both in the book and on the machine, we see the points at this end of the top, and then we'll start down at the bed. And we'll nail that one. Good, and that one. And that one, there's a wick in there. We're going to nail this one too. So that's the top done now. So we'll move down to the front a little more. Continuing on, we have a screw here, this stud here, that keeps the faceplate on. We'll give it a go. And then the other ones we got to get are these, like that, like that, like that, like that. Whoopsie daisy. We're going to try that again. We're going to get this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and then we've got one back here. We'll get it. And then there's another one, and it's back here. It's right there. So I'm going to get my cloth and mop up the excess oil. And now what we're going to do is we're going to turn the machine around so we can see the front of the machine, like that, and we'll remove the faceplate. Remove the faceplate, There, it's removed. And we'll put the screw back in there now, just so we don't lose track of it. And we'll first start on the screw, and we'll wind it in so we get those inside threads oiled a bit. Good. Now it is quite messy in there, but nonetheless we'll get going here. Then we're going to come down to here, and there's an oil hole right there, like that. And we're going to go into here and here. We're going to put a drop there. We've already put a drop there, but I'll put another one there. We've put a drop up here to drain down to there for the lever. I'm going to put a drop of oil up here behind this spring. And where else do I have to put some? I put some in there. Again. That one just got some. That got some. This one is getting some. So that's the front faceplate area oiled. And then we're going to go back to that front view there of this side. Actually, this is the side of the machine, not the front. And we'll see what else we have to do. The only thing we really have to do, my friends, is down in here, and I don't want to go in there yet. Now, starting on the back, we're going to access 2 oil holes. Okay, first we're going to go up here and oil one there, and oil one there. And then we're going to do one here. And then we've got one here. Now we've got one here. We're going to give this one a little bit of oil from this side. A little bit of oil in there. And then a little bit in there. And I'm just going to throw a little there and there. And that's all on the top. Now we're going to go downstairs below. Here we are underneath, and we have a number of oil points here. We do not oil the belt. No, no, no. We don't do the belt. And I'm at the belt end. We're going to do this. We're going to do that. We're going to do that. We're going to do that. And that. And that. We're going to come down here. We're going to go here. And here. And there. And there. And there. And there. Actually, yeah, it did show oiling there, so we're correct. We're also going to go right here and here. We're going to go here, here, in there, in there. Here, 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 here. And that's about it. That's pretty much all I'm doing as far as oiling on Mint Magic. That wasn't terrifically difficult. A lot of times it's because we do these things so rarely. I hope this was useful for you. Thank you for stopping in and watching. And have fun and keep safe. Adios, amigos.